I'm LaTrice Johnson, and I'm the plant manager for the Kansas City manufacturing and distribution operations. Safely and sustainably manufacturing a quality product to budget and on plan. The fundamentals of operational excellence. This is achieved through clearly defined objectives and goals, methods for tracking and measuring performance to those goals, and processes and systems that are aligned and developed to ensure our employees can meet those goals. It's accountability. It's personal and professional development. It's continuous improving. Essentially, it is continually evolving. As a lubricants company, Moving Your World deals with the science of keeping parts moving from a mechanical basis. But when I think about moving your world, it's simply being part of the solution. The world is constantly changing. Life is evolving more rapidly than many of us could have ever imagined. So whether you're impacting your customers, your projects, your colleagues, your community, or your family, in order to move anything, you have to be part of the solution. I'm the daughter of a mechanic and honestly an inquisitive kid, always wanting to know how or why. The appeal of operations and manufacturing has always been about seeing the processes that deliver the end product. How is that made? How can we do that better? How can we improve upon that technology? However, the most rewarding part of this role is the people. Being able to lead a dynamic and diverse team, to ask those questions and solve those difficult problems and consistently deliver superior results is and has been the most rewarding aspect of my job at FUCHS.